Watch this video through to the end, follow all of the steps shown in this tutorial, and take action. That is all it takes for you to earn money online through this website here. With that said, don't worry because this doesn't involve selling anything, no social media is involved, and it works in your country too, no matter where it is, because this is worldwide. This platform is absolutely free and you won't need to invest any money up front. This isn't about affiliate marketing, you don't have to sell or promote any products, and even a complete newbie can do this and get paid. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today's strategy revolves around this site here called Mangools.com. For those of you who've never heard about it, Mangools is basically an SEO site. And if you don't know what SEO stands for, it's Search Engine Optimization. And what SEO essentially does is helps various websites rank on Google, and so more people can see them. As such, Mangools basically helps out various websites to get more traffic, as simple as that. As such, many large companies need Mangools simply because they could be paying up to hundreds of dollars for an ad on Google, and if it isn't on the very first page of Google, then they're losing a lot of traffic and thus potential customers. And this is where this website comes in. Now, don't worry, you won't need a website or whatever for this to work. You can actually be a complete beginner and still get paid. Reason being is that we will promote this as an affiliate, and you will see why this particular site later on. Anyway, something I really love about Mangools that will be very important for us later on is that it offers its users a 10-day free trial. This is very, very important because people are generally skeptical about websites like these and generally don't love the idea of paying a website without knowing if it's a scam or whatever. And so having a free trial is beneficial both for Mangools and for all of its potential customers as well. How Mangools helps its customers specifically, you can see here. It will find the right keywords, it can track your rankings, and it also offers essentially spying on your competition. And these are all very powerful features which are extremely helpful for various website owners, but also for you as an affiliate. When promoting this through the traffic sources I will show you, you will want to make sure you mention all of these features that this site offers. Anyhow, just below you can see what people love about this site. And as you can see, this includes its great UI, thanks to which you don't have to be an expert to start using our SEO tools. You'll understand all the data and features instantly. It offers support with SEO skills, and last but not least, it offers its customers one of the best prices on the market as far as SEO tools are concerned. Yet another feature you'd want to highlight when promoting this as an affiliate. If you scroll further down, you'll come across some testimonials. You will see all the big companies featured on here, and more information which you can check out. As you may guess, guys, I won't do that. What I want to now show you is what you need to do on here, which is scroll down to the very bottom of the page and then click on Affiliate Program right here. And in this video, I will show you how to easily find people who will need Mangools with two different methods, so you will be able to pick and choose between the two of them. With that said, there are several different reasons Mangools is so great to promote as an affiliate. For starters, there is an infinite number of customers, since there are new websites being created literally every single day. But more importantly, the owners of those websites all have big budgets, and many are owners of companies. So not only would Mangools be beneficial for improving their business, but we also know they will have the capacity to pay them. And once they see the improvements in income that they get from Mangools, they will want to use it for a much longer period of time. This means you don't need to refer too many people on this website in order to be able to earn a lot of money. Lastly, that free trial I mentioned in the beginning is also hugely important, and it will lead to many more people trying this site out than otherwise would be the case. And most of those will tend to start using this for the long term as well. Now, this site offers you 30% lifetime commissions, as you can see here. Even though these aren't the highest of commissions, they definitely are better than most. And check this out. Here, the average payout from an affiliate is nearly $500 a month, which is very good actually, but I will show you how to earn way more than that in this video. Now, how much exactly you'll be earning per customer is something I know many of you will want to know. You can check this out by clicking on pricing here, by the way. And as you can see, they have 3 pricing plans: basic, premium, and agency. And for each of these, there is a monthly and annual payment option. Now, most people from my research go for the premium option since it's the best value for pricing of the 3. And as you can see, it costs $40 a month with the annual plan, which is $480 a year. So think about this for a second, guys. If you refer 100 people in a year, which is insanely low as well, that means you would be making nearly $50,000 a year in passive income. And remember, most people who use this tool tend to stick around because it's profitable for them. So as you can see, this has enormous potential to make you a lot of money. In any case, guys, you can check out the features of this website, but I simply won't go over them to not prolong this video. In order to become an affiliate, all you need to do is click on Start Earning right now over here. That will now bring you over to this page where you will need to click on Don't Have an Account in order to create one. And once you do, you will grab your affiliate link, and I will now show you exactly where to get traffic. And a platform through which we will be getting traffic is actually going to be Google. And I will show you 2 methods with which you can easily find customers on this site. With the first method, what you will want to do is search for a business type and a city or town. This is something I've shown several times in my previous videos simply because it's a very easy and effective way to get traffic. I, as you can see, have searched for gyms in Philadelphia. And what I now need to do is scroll down and click on View All right here. This will now, as you can see, show me all of these gyms that also happen to have websites as well. And the owners of these websites and gyms are all potential customers. And what I now want to do is open up any one of these sites and then find their contact info, which is located at either the top or the bottom of the page. In this case, I have their email right up here, and what you will do from here is simply contact them via email, go over all the great features of Mangles, its free trial, great prices, and so on. And you will want to repeat this process with other businesses as well. The real power of this strategy is that you can search for businesses located anywhere around the globe, and you will be easily able to find an infinite number of customers. And as you know, you only need a very small amount of them to actually pay Mangles for you to make thousands of dollars in passive income. Another way you can find customers on Google is by searching for websites directly and not look for businesses first. And I would highly recommend you guys search for courses. Reason being is that people selling them need traffic a lot more than an owner of some website. You can type in Facebook ad courses, for example. What course it is does not make a difference whatsoever. I, as you can see, have searched for Instagram courses. And now what you will want to do once you search for a course of your own choosing is head over to the 4th page and beyond so that you can find people selling courses that are not on the first page of Google and are losing a lot of money and would thus benefit highly from Mangles. And you'd want to open them up. Here is one I found. When you open a site yourselves, guys, you will now want to find the contact info. It's generally located at the top or bottom of the page, and you'd want to contact the person selling the course and promote Mangles to them in much the same fashion as you would with the first method. And since the person you are contacting is not on the first page of Google while selling a course and is thus losing a lot of money, there's a very high chance they will try out Mangles and thus make you money. And with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.